Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a more of a supply haul from Michaels. As you know, this week was Michaels' best price of the years or lowest price of the years. So I just stocked up on things that were on sale that I need to use camera for. Anyway, so I got this I think was one store had it as a value product and the other one didn't, but anyway, I got it 50% off, so I got it for $5. This is just a tabletop that goes on top of the little carts that we all have, so I got that for $5, but I think the best buy price is for $5. This is the only thing I was able to use my coupon on because everything else was on sale, but I got those replacement blades. I got a box of 52 artsy cards. And I hope these things are pretty good. These are the ones by Fiskars, and they were 60% off. I'm just curious as to the texture of these. But I like the little case holder. Like, oh, they're nice. Oh, wait a minute, that's more than one. They're decent. They're not. It's probably still 65 weight paper. I don't think it's 110, but it might be 10 foot, I think. But anyway, nice little for some ATC cards. And they had the packs of paper, 5 for $10, which is their lowest price. Now, the paper pads that I got were strategic. I color coordinate my die cuts for my inventory book. And so these colors, as well as the purple in here, match. So the green, the navy, the orange, and the purple, and I have pink. I already got a pink pad. They match, so that's why I had to buy these to match that. Okay, wait a minute. And then I got another navy one, and then I got these gold ones. They are thin, but my store never has them. And I was at another store with my friend shopping, and so I just got those. Will last me for the rest of the year or two. And then I got, of course, the cricut stuff was 40% off, which never happens, except that once a year. So I went on and got another standard grip matte, 40% off. And then I got the deep cut blade and the deep cut housing for that blade, so that can cut your chipboard. And then last but not least, I got these 60% off. And sorry about the crinkle, which was these two chipboard mini albums with chipboard pages. And of course, my friend was with me, who I bought in the scrapbook, and she made it clear that this was cheating and that no true scrapbooker would do this. And how could I do this? Because I taught her how to scrapbook. I brought her into it, and you know, the mini albums and all this stuff with her, and showed her how to do it. And she said, "You're gonna cheat and buy that? That's not fair." But they were good quality, so I don't know. I may take them back. She guilt tripped me so bad. Let me know what you think. If you think a true crafter should be able to own this and that. I mean, I still make my mini albums so far all by hand, but sometimes chipboard is hard to come by. So I thought I'd just keep this in my stash. But anyway, thanks for liking and watching and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.